Choice today with 2016 Regal. Buick Regal is based on the European Opel Insignia. The Regal is as much a sports sedan as it is a family sedan and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, heated steering wheel, Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, driver vanity mirror. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.